Okay, so now I'm going to do 12-volt car refrigerator. This is a pretty good size. It's the smallest one, but it comes pretty handy when you go camping and go grocery shopping, when you want to keep your food or drink cool. So I think this is a good one to get. So let's take a look at it. So the good thing of this product is it comes with 2 power cords. Let's see. So this is a 12-volt power cord. When you use it in the car, you just connect it into the car charger. This one is the 110-volt power adapter. When you want to use this refrigerator at home, you connect this power adapter into your plug. It looks pretty good. It's white, the finish is great, shiny, and not very big. I'll put bottled water inside for you to take a look later. So when you think about a portable refrigerator, there are 2 kinds of products. The first one, those 2 products, they differ by the way to cool down the temperature. First one is peltier chip. Usually the product name will contain thermal semiconductor cooler. The peltier chip is cheaper, but it's not that efficient, and the ability to cool down the temperature is always relatively to the ambient temperature. For example, if the room temperature is 90 degrees, the maximum difference it can make is around 40 degrees. So when the temperature is 90 degrees, you only cool down to 50 degrees, and probably it's not safe for the frozen product like ice cream, like that. But this one is a real refrigerator with a small compressor. It's more efficient, and it cools down to 0 degrees, as we will have the test later. So this is a little bit more expensive, but around 150 to 200 bucks you can get a decent one. Okay, so I'm going to plug in and test it. Okay, now let's turn it on. Since we're going to test it at home, we'll first connect this 12-volt power cord. The socket is at the side of the box. And then we're going to connect this 110-volt power adapter. Alright, and let's take a look inside. It's the smallest model. I think you can put 10 bottled water inside. Just for your reference, I'm going to put bottle inside for now. Let's close it. Turn it on. So to turn it on, you press the on-off button for 3 seconds. It will turn on. So as you can see, now the temperature is at 70 degrees Fahrenheit. You can switch mode by this setting button. I think there are 2 modes. So one is eco mode. I guess it's a power saver. The other one would be max mode. We are going to test the maximum ability to cool down, so we're using max mode here. Now you can adjust the temperature. It's set at 20. Okay, I think let's 16. That's a pretty good temperature to go. And also, we are going to put a thermometer inside. You see now it's 71 degrees. Put inside. And let's start the timer. Okay, now the temperature has reached 16 degrees and the compressor stopped. It took around 10 minutes to go from 73 to 16. Pretty impressive. Let's look at the reading inside. It shows 22. And yeah, it's definitely really cool inside. After the first test, I keep the cooler plugged in for another 3 hours. And here's how it works. I noticed that whenever the temperature is above 8 degrees, then the target temperature, the compressor starts working again. So let's open it and look at the reading. Okay, so now the reading is closer to the ones on the screen. So you might notice that in the initial round, the temperature is not reaching the setting temperature. But you know, after it's been running for a while, it's locked at the target temperature. Okay, so now I'm going to do another test. Let's unlock it first. Okay, I wanna bring it down to 5 degrees. Okay, let's close it and check it later. It's been another 3 hours. Now the temperature on the screen reaches 5 degrees Fahrenheit. Let's look inside. Check the reading. It's 10.5. I noticed that since the compressor stops immediately whenever it reaches the target temperature. So if you want, oh, it's definitely pretty cool. It's freezing here. If you want the inner temperature to reach 5 degrees, I suggest you set the temperature lower. But let's take a look at the water. Yeah. Definitely freezing. So yeah, pretty good. Yeah, it works as a freezer. So let me show you the space again. I'm putting more bottled water. So that's the first stack, 5 bottles, and you can put another 5 at the top stack. And maybe I see a little bit margin at the top, just for another thin box and a little margin. Yeah, try to put as much stuff as possible. So that's roughly the space. Let's close it. So yeah, for sure you can put 10 bottles of water inside and maybe another slice of pizza. Let's take it this way. So yeah, this is a decent small refrigerator. It's a real compressor in refrigerator. As I said, for the Peltier semiconductor cooler, you cannot bring down to more than 40 degrees. So like the test today, the run temperature is at 73, but with the real compressor refrigerator, it brought down more than 60 degrees. So that's it. I hope you like it. Actually, I'm not going to use it as a car refrigerator. I'm going to build an aquarium chiller. So if you are interested in how I'm going to do it, please subscribe to the channel and I will show you next time. See ya!